Do you want to 10x your revenue without adding a single person to your payroll? Imagine getting far more out of your existing marketing campaigns while automating tedious tasks and scaling your business, even if you're not tech savvy. That'd be pretty useful, right? Well, today I'm revealing the AI automation secrets that are turning entrepreneurs like you into profit-generating machines to help you scale to 7 figures. If you're new here, I'm Ben Angel. And if you've already explored my new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or the AI Starter Kit that I share in my bio, you'll know this goes way beyond tips and tools. It's about creating intelligent systems that scale with you. And today I'm sharing 4 AI marketing automations that can save you up to 3 days a week and skyrocket your revenue. We're talking content research, conversions, lead generation, and sales automation. Are you ready? Step 1, content research that actually works. Content research can be a complete drain on your time. I've written 8 books. I know the struggle of trying to come up with compelling ideas on a time crunch. AI is great, but the problem is most AI-generated content is bland. Generic content won't cut it. You get what I mean, right? You've seen it. So how do you get smarter? There's a tool called NoteGPT, which gives you a competitive edge. Instead of guessing, you analyze proven top-performing videos in your niche. You see exactly what's working right now, get fresh ideas, and quickly brainstorm with its built-in mind map and summary highlights. This is going to save you hours of research. And you can do it in just 3 steps. Step 1, find 3 trending videos. Step 2, use NoteGPT to extract key insights to uncover what's resonating with people. Step 3, organize those insights. I personally use Google Doc. Next, you're going to feed those insights into Perplexity AI. It digs deeper, showing you the sources behind the information, uncovering hidden angles your competitors are missing. This step alone has created light bulb moments for so many inside my AI Mastery Fast Track. But here's something I want you to remember. Always cite your sources. It builds trust. And add your own expertise to the mix. That's what makes it unique, which is going to be vital as the web gets flooded with generic AI-generated content. Step 2, boost conversions with AI chatbots. If you're a small business owner, you don't have the time to manually manage all the prospects in your funnel, right? That's where chatbots can help. A Glass 6 study showed that AI chatbots boost conversion rates by 23% and resolve issues 18% faster with 71% success rate. That's huge, right? One chatbot that caught my attention is called Lero AI. This conversational chatbot can handle up to 70% of prospect inquiries without human intervention. And don't worry, it's still affordable even though it's used by top brands. Here's what you're going to need to set up your AI chatbot, whether you use this one or another model. You'll need a document with frequently asked questions from your prospects, documentation on products or services, including pricing, delivery details, and URLs. Any chatbot you set up will need a basic knowledge base to pull from. It's like training a brand new employee. Plus, the interaction your prospects have with the chatbot are also a goldmine of data. You can use that info to tweak your offers and content to be more targeted. Step 3, and this is critical, automate your lead generation. I think we can both agree leads are the lifeblood of any business. Without a steady flow, growth stalls. But let's be real. Finding quality leads and outreach is time consuming. That's where you can use tools like Instantly. Instantly helps you turn cold outreach into a streamlined automated system. It's designed to identify warm leads, boost your email deliverability, and manage conversions across multiple inboxes all in one place. With the bonus of campaign analytics, you're not just sending more emails, you're closing more deals. It's like having a full-time sales team without paying for one. Which brings us to step 4, sales automation that actually works. For this, you need a solid CRM. I personally use Kajabi, but any CRM will do as long as it fits your needs and your budget. Now, most CRMs have introduced AI helpers to write your email campaigns. Sounds great, right? But here's the truth. Don't use them. These AI generators aren't conversational and they don't factor in your past successes, like which campaigns converted and which subject lines worked. Instead, here's what I've done to triple my sales in the past few months. I feed an AI model, like Google's free AI Studio, with the stats from the past 6 months of emails. I tell it to act like a top 1% marketing analyst to uncover insights 99% of marketers would miss. To do this, you follow 3 simple steps. Copy and paste your subject lines. Click-through rates and sales data from the past 6 months into the AI. Don't worry if it's a bit messy. Next, let the AI analyze the data, identify what's working by using the prompts on the screen. Then use those insights to craft future campaigns that hit the mark every time. The insights that you'll extract from this very simple process can be leveraged to align all of your marketing messages, from your email to your landing page, and most importantly, your order forms. The beauty of AI marketing automations isn't just the individual tools, it's in how they all work together. The more you use them, the smarter they get and the more time you save. If this resonated with you and you've been following my work, maybe from the book, maybe from something you've seen behind the scenes, then you already know. Once you stop guessing and start optimizing with the right strategy, everything changes.